back. Let's continue in this chapter 2 data structure. Last video we go through the numeric type, and for this video we move on to the second part for the string type. Let's create a new file called 2.2 py. So this will be the data structure string. So string first, you can recap this, ask the numbering. So if we have a char, the type that they will have 1 to 6, and within current numbers, there's also some extended ask the characters that you can use. But in short, within this 1 to 7, we can make one character within computer stored in 1 byte. 1 byte is the 8-bit. So that is the ask, and after the extended ask is we use the 256 is also enough. And then is we have how we can have the additional different language. For English, this ask number is okay. So for including all the other languages, Unicode was introduced. And for some language like Chinese, Japanese, or even the Korean, those kind of the language is using the double byte to store their code, the character. So that we code is UTF-8 coding. So it's just for everyone to just have our understanding about that in coding. But what we will try to see is let's go with this character. So type. So first is print odd. Odd is the to get this ordinary the numbers. So it's the big A. I got 65. Why 65 is here? So 65 is the ask number, is the refer to this character A. So if I have a return, so 65, so I will use the char, say a char with 65. Now input is our number. So, and I got A back. The only thing is here is emphasizes the case sensitive. Big A and the small a are different ask number. So here you see the 97. So the lower capital, these characters are higher the ask number. So first we have from 65 until the 90, I think it's a 90 are capital A to Z. And from 97 to 1.122 is the smaller case A to Z. And then we have some other characters to store those. For example, if you print char 38, what you get is you get this and sign. So let me run. So you got this number. Or this character. So those are the char. And then this we will comment this and go to a string. So we gave our the definition. So you can use the double quote or single quote. That's no matter. So if I say is another hello, use this print A, B. So it's they will print that out. So hello and another hello. So they just treat all both are the valid the character. you can also use triple. The C equal to this. So you remember in Markdown, when you write down the triple, there is a single code. That means you are going to write some code. So, but here you can also use this to define a character. Let me also print C. So now you got this one. So just for your the understanding. So let me see here. That the Markdown you can try with those characters. So for example, if I go here and use this triple, then it's same as what I will going to add our code block. So it's like this. So that is the Markdown's syntax. And then you can use a triple single quote or triple double quote. So that is both. So we have our D and we use triple Python 2. So let me also print D. And let me get that. So you can see two Python is they are equally, so no print no issues. So we also can print some long this character, for example, is just very long, and then I make our return, then have another one return, then make return. So that is no problem. Is yeah, let me comment this, and then you see. So let me put that. I didn't print this. Let me run that. Yeah, it's here. So I got this here is the another the line, and here is another line. And also you can do this this way. So here, if you just put in here, you return this, and let me comment this one. You get an error. So if you want to do those return, you should have that. Let me see. So here is the return, but on this the sample, you should not have that this return. They should be continuously. But if you want to do this like a paragraph, you should use this triple, and here triple. Then they will treat this OK to print like your you do this return. So they will do that return like where you want to do the return. So that is just try to be this issue. So and because there's three the calls, you can just return at any time. So we will waiting to put these three code as the comments. So but that I think it's not used too often. So I just show you this way. And also here, if you want to show print out our code, then you just need to ensure the pair in the outside is not the same code you are using in the inside. If you want to use that same, you need to use this the slash, the backslash, to ensure this is not recognized as our code. So I don't put in this in detail, just to give you the sample like here. So if I use the double quote outside, I use the single quote inside. It's very cool. Or like here, if I just wanted to use single quotes, if you don't use this backslash, you see here, the color of the character, they will tell you is here is already finished on this string. So you will get our arrow. So arrow is unterminated string interval, because this one is recognized our another strings started. So we should use this way. Then you get these two print out correctly. So that is the ways we use this backslash. And we already know the backslash n, so that means is return. And if you want to print out this backslash n, you need to add another backslash. So that is a double backslash. You will have one backslash print out. And that's the same as this all most of the time is used as the printout our pass. So when we start to use this handling the Office file in Windows, normally is we have this backslash, and we need to remember we use this way. Or we use our R. So that is ways to ensure we don't need to do this double. So this is very interesting and useful the way that we can put. So let me put here. So let's see. So you can see as a print. I didn't save. So now if I save, it's print as the same. So because I use this small r, so this is very convenient. So I also highly recommended this. You remember this so that we can use this more easier. So it's a common start and moving on. So for this string index. So string index is actually, you just remember this like string is our list. So every character is just like our list, first character starting from 0 and 1. Even the space has our name. So my string is off. I have the space. Office is very lucky since she needs Python. So that is our string, and then is when we can see print my string 0. So use this code. Then you see is the big O, and this space actually is print my string. You see is the 2 actually is the space. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can count this. So you can treat this print len my string. So I can count how many characters in this string. So I just use the count the length this function. So you can see. So you just later on we learn the list, then you can back to here to see what we are doing is exactly treat string as a list. So I don't make that too much. And here is we already practice the length. So if we see a string, so these are 0, and here is the blank. Even here is the blank. So all these are the blank. Once we got the length of your string, it will be very direct understanding is for the slice. Slice is just part of the string. So we can use this because you use this way to choose or select one character. We can select multiple characters. So like it's my string. I use this from I already know is 45. I want to see the 10 to 12 or 20. So what's that get? So let me comments. So let's see what's this print out. So it's starting from the data space. So data space is let's count again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the 10. And from this one, go to the, let's see, go to the log 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it gave you from the number 10 to number 19. So that is the way. And then if you go this comma in the last, then they will come to the most last character. Like this is a slice, or you can starting from beginning to a certain number. The -1 is our interesting part. That is the last character. So if I change this, so let me see here. I want to get -1. I should get n. So you see here. So last character is -1. First character is 0. So the second from last will be -2. So if I just count, so just remember the 1 and the 0, the difference. So Python, this big P will be -6, not -5. So that is the most of time is people will get some this difficult. So what's this double? So let's just have for C. So if I have a double, comma, what's the difference? So this just gave our age. So which age? Zero is this one. Go to the 2. Let's see whether we have those one. This one, that is whole. One, 2 is so this is the step. So the last one is the step. So if I put this 0 to 20, step 1, 0 to 20, step 2. So what I put in here is from 0 to the last and step 20. So let's make that the step 2. So now I got this every 2 characters. I got this the slice. So that is the part is, but I didn't use this too much. So let me comment this, and then we can do the index. So I have my string. Let's print this my string index. So now if I know the this index, so let's see the p. So I want to find this p number. So you see here, p is here is number 39. And if I use this Python, so that will be pyth. So I should also go to 39 because they return the first the characters index. But if I have a multiple one, so like is I have here is I, here is here is I. So if I have use the small I, then I get is the number 4. So it's this one. So that is the character. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's only return the first one. So but if there's the nothing, so this one is a substring is not find. So you can see index they don't find. And if I use the find, then they will give you our -1. So that's the index. You must have a valid number. Otherwise, it will throw that to the arrow. And let's see. So if I do we have a way to find O? You will also have the index. So that's the index, and we can use find as well. Change that to find. Then it's also find in the number 4. So if we have that, then that will be the same. If I want to find z, I don't have a z, so then they give our this -1. But if I use the index, and if I run now, let me save and run. So you see here is our arrow I got. So let's comment this. And then this we can also use this mathematic way to comments. So string join. So my string 1 is hello. My string 2 is word. My string 3 is Python. So now is I want to make our new string is my string 1 plus my string 3 plus my string 2. That's the 2. So I want to print this hello Python word. So I print my string. I see. So hello Python world, but there's no space in the middle, so you can put this. Let's see. So if I put by default is I can put those every string we have for space, then that will be easier to adjust. But if this is a 3 strings, we can also see whether the separate. Let's see whether it is run. So is this still okay? So no, because here is already 1 string, so we cannot do that. But what the reason is we can use this one is we can use this my string 1, my string 3, my string 2. With this one, let's see. So you can see here, now you separate with this string, but when you already calculate that, you cannot use sep the afterwards. So that is the on this simple the string is the plus processing. So after this plus, then we can have our the multiply. So let me see. So char is a string actually. So this, let's see. We can use this. So that is a string. So print char. We got 1, and then this use this print char times 10. So we should go to this pattern. So that is the interesting part is now you can just change your part is I want this like this. Now if I print, I got a different pattern. So you can use the plus sign, you can use the multiplying sign. And also we have our joint, this method. So let's comment this. We have my string is hello, just the hello, and then we can see the my string 1 equal to our space dot join my string, and we print my string 1. So the join means every character will add our space. So that's a little like that separate. So you use separate adding to the multiple string, and then these are within this string. Every character you make our space or make anything you want to see. For example, if I want to see, I want the double hyphen, then every character they will add this double hyphen. So that like is splitting this into the different character, but between the every two characters there's our pattern you can define. And then here I will not make this change, but you just have an idea is you can use this false type change. So that is depending on which type is lower level and higher level. You can change that. They can be automatically change from when you add the integer with a float, the result is a float. But now if you give a false change, they just go to the result as you need. So those we can just skip for those. And then we have a joint, and we also have our replace. So let's have a string is hello world. So that is the our first, and the new string. I want to put this space. I want to insert our Python. So one way is you can just create another string, or we use this my string. So with replace, and then let's see. I got this space. I will replace that to Python. So I just use our key. So then we print new string. So you can see here, I add a Python, but remember to add the space before and after, so that they are not the print into one character. And then the lower upper, so those are some other these characters. So let's common stays, and then we use this one. So now we have this, and then print my string dot upper. So because it's already all in the small character. But if I have a sum, is hello is capital, word is capital. So this one is the same, and here is lower. So I can force them change to all capital or all small case. That is one more. These characters. Then let's have another thing is the string split. So when we have that split, is we want to see is split by something. So print. Oh, that is here. Let me see. Print my string and split. I want to split by this space, for example. So we have this first character is by which this char or which string. Second is the big is the number of the split. So that is one. We can have that just ignore those. So I got 2. So it's in our list. So I got 2, and if you see that numbers, you get those results. And the last but not least is the format of the string. So let's make this here. That is name 1. So let's also come to here. So I save time and paste here. My string first is very lucky. She meets is Office. So let's just use Office. Then first is they should print my string is this one, and now is with this without any fill-in. And now we have the format of the method, and we gave two parameter. First parameter will come to this first one. Second parameter is come to this one. So they are doing the replace. But if you don't give the correct number of this parameter, then you will get our error. So first, let me save, and then I print. So you can see here, this is the first the statement print. Second is correctly replaced by this 2. But the last is get an arrow. The arrow says is replacement index 1 out of range for positional argument tuple. So this is a tuple, so you cannot change that. So you need to match that. So that is the replace. And also you can give our number. So if I want to have this, by default is this first name 1 come to this, name 2 come to this. But if I say here, I want this as 1, this as 2, and let's comment this one. So you will not get Office is very lucky. You will get Python is very lucky. So just the vice versa. So you see here. So you can manage this sequence of the replacement. But normally, we will ignore those and not give a number, but we will just carefully fill in our parameter, the result. And also you can use this as our one sentence. So you don't need that, but you just give our name. So like here is, let me see, a name 1, name 2. So let's print my string new string. And what's the new string? So we will give this definition is f with name, let me say name 1 is very lucky. She needs name 2 and happy. So new string. So let's see. So it's also replace, but this replace is based on our the character's name. So if I replace this, you get is the vice versa. And also you can replace that just a Python. So this way is more flexible because you don't have that arrow possibility. You just manage yourself by this the naming of the character. You don't need the numbering. So this I think is more user friendly. And then we also have some the formatting. So like this the %d is the integer, and the %s is a string and another string. So this one is use this percentage. You will replace the following things to the predefined strings. So let me copy that here. Then you can see the actual result. We should use, like we use 500, so that you can see the 500 years later Office meets Python. So even here is our Chinese character is fine. So because this within the string is not provide the issues. So but it's better you change this to the four Western characters. And last is the we can also have the float format. So I put this as well here. Is print the pi. So if I save this, so let's see, it's some error because here is the Chinese characters, these parentheses. So we need to modify this one, and also this one, this one, this one. Now is correct writing. So I can get this number replaced by 2 float digit, and this one is replaced by this percentage. So this is percentage is get our percentage. So overall, I think it's hopefully it's from this video you have best memory back to the string. So again, this is not our purpose to deal detail about the Python. Those are our preparation for part 2. So we will continue the moving quickly as quick as possible. So next video we go to the list and we try to memorize what our knowledge for Python first. Thank you for watching.